Pressing down on the dial on the Truma heating panel will switch on the Truma heating system, ready for you to operate. As you can see on this demonstration, there is 4 different indicators showing on the screen, and by turning the dial you'll be able to see which icon is highlighted. The 4 main pictures of the temperature inside of the vehicle, hot water temperature, power source and vent mode. If you ever make a mistake, a back button is on the left hand side. If you only have 3 indicators with 1 blanked out, it is because your Truma system is a gas only system and will not run on an electric source. The first indicator for the temperature goes from 5 to 30 degrees and usually takes about 20 minutes to warm up depending on your vehicle. The second indicator is for your hot water heating, so if you want to use hot water in your sinks or in the shower, you can switch this setting on either Eco, which is either 40 degrees, Hot, which is 60 degrees, or Boost, that will prioritise hot water for 30 minutes. This setting is commonly used if you want to frequently use the shower within a 30-minute period. If, for example, a family of 4 wanted to use the shower, you may want to use the Boost setting to prioritise getting hot water overheating itself. After the 30-minute period, the Boost setting will automatically turn back to the hot setting. The next one, being the power source, is possibly the most important indicator which will determine what power source you will be using. There is a difference of either using gas, Mix 1, Mix 2, EL1 or EL2. Gas would most likely be used when you are off well camping, as you would not have access to any power. If you are on a campsite and hooked up, ideally EL1 or EL2 should be used. The difference between EL1 and EL2 is either 1 kilowatt or 2 kilowatts of power, with EL2 being ideal for the majority of UK campsites and EL1 being a suitable option for low ampage campsites. Mix 1 or Mix 2 is an ideal choice if you want to maximise your vehicle heating to the quickest way as possible. However, this will use both your gas and your electricity. The full setting is for the ventilation system, and you can determine if you want the speed on low or high. Then to turn off the heating, you should try and turn off all the settings so that there's nothing showing on the top bar. So by turning the temperature to 0 and the hot water to off, then you can see that there's nothing showing on the top bar. Once you've done this, if you hold down the dial and give it a few seconds, the heating system will switch off.